Hello everybody. In today's video I'll be showing you how to flip an image. So as you can see, the first step to do is to open your document or your Word document first. Then we are just going to insert a picture. In my case, I will just insert a regular picture that exists already here in my laptop. So of course you will be opening documents that contain already uh, an illustration, or you will just insert one. So to flip your image, you have two methods. Either you will just click on this rotation arrow here, and you will uh, control the rotation of your image manually. As you can see, if you click, for example, on Shift, your image will be flipped or rotated by straight angles. So this is how we can do it. Uh, or you can go to, after clicking on your image, a picture format ribbon will be shown. There you will find here in the arrange section an option called rotate. You click on the icon. Here you can find all the rotation options. You will find to rotate your picture like by a right angle, or just flipping your picture horizontal or vertical. As you can see, if I deselect and click on flip, it will flip automatically. Or you can double click on your image, or go to right click on your image and click size and position. Here you will find the rotation, and you can rotate your image by the angle that you want. And after you rotate your or flip your picture, you will click just OK, and as you can see, it's already has been flipped. So this is how you flip your image on Microsoft Office Word. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.